Hi, I'm David Bryan. I'm part of the team at ShopBot working on the new Handibot Smart Power Tool. We're excited because we think the Handibot is a whole new category of tools. It's a universal digital power tool, a smart tool. You run the Handibot with software apps from your tablet, smartphone, or PC. Underneath the surface is powerful CNC technology. This allows you to cut, machine, drill, carve with great precision. The Handibot tool is a platform with endless possibilities for job-centered apps. But here's what's really new. Unlike traditional CNC tools where you need to place the material on the tool, the Handibot's small size lets you bring the tool to the material, to the construction site, the remodeling job, wherever you need to work. The tool reaches down through its base to work in full 3D, and with jigs or accessories you can register or index over the material to work in larger areas than the tool's own envelope. So why crowdfunding? Because we don't believe that working alone we can possibly come up with all of the ideas for applications and enhancements to develop the tool to its full potential. We know it will take a larger community. By contributing to the campaign, you'll help fund a web-based infrastructure for open source application and resource development for the tool. Anyone who's interested will be able to contribute app ideas and develop software and hardware for this platform. The biggest perk is getting a Handibot prototype tool into your hands. We'll make the first run of Handibot tools at ShopBot here in Durham, North Carolina, where we've been making CNC tools for 18 years now. We'll continue making Handibot tools here at ShopBot as we begin to share production with other shops around the country. Our vision is that with broad adoption of Handibot tools, not long from now we'll extend manufacturing to a distributed network of digital fabrication shops. We hope that you'll contribute now to our campaign. Thanks.